What's poppin', YouTube? This is your girl Toshinae Letrice, and you are watching my channel. Okay, honey, I'm gonna get straight into this video because I am so excited. I went to the beauty supply store today thinking I was gonna get some hair to twist in my hair. I was gonna get some passion twists, you know, try to do my hair. Right now I got some deep conditioner in my hair and I let it air dry. And honestly, it's a look. The definition is on point. Okay, my hair is looking good. But you finna see something completely different from me because while I was in the beauty supply store, I got sidetracked. Your girl got distracted and I ended up in the wig aisle. I have never ever owned a wig. I've never worn a wig and I've never tried to put a wig on my head. This is gonna be a crazy video for me. It's gonna be me trying to install a wig on my head right now. Oh my god. So I bought a wig and I couldn't try it on in the store, so we gonna see how this goes. But I found a wig that I thought was really cute and I bought it, and your girl's about to do this. Okay, I got my beauty supply store bag, all black. So this is the wig I got. This is the wig, guys. Okay, I wanted to try something kind of short. I got my wig cap, my got to be, and this thing. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me see. I'm gonna watch Aaliyah J's install video. So I'm gonna obviously like turn this down and try to just follow along. I don't know how to cornrow, so I'm just gonna try to put this wig cap on and hopefully my hair looks really good right now though. I don't even want to put it down, but I'm gonna put this wig cap on. Oh my god. I'm nervous. I don't know what to do. So, okay. Watching Aaliyah J's video. All right. Yeah, I gotta put this cap on. Ooh, okay. Okay, is this gonna fit on my head? Oh my god. All right, maybe I should put my hair in a ponytail. Let me put my hair back like this, like so. My hair's still kind of wet, so it's laying down pretty good. And I think I could put it on like this, right? Don't just put it in like a really small bun in the back. Hopefully that works. I'm gonna try to make it a really tight, small bun. Okay, hopefully that's good enough. I don't know. Oh shit. Oh my god. How the fuck do you guys put these on? Okay. Got my ponytail inside the cap. What am I doing? I don't want it to pull out my edges, honey. Okay? I really don't. Put this over the ears, too. Like that. Okay. Alright, let me see what she's doing now. Okay. She put this. Oh my god. You guys, I'm fucking scared. Let me brush back my edges again, because boo, I do not want my edges to be missing. I really don't. I really don't. When I take this wig off, my edges still better be here. Okay. Alright. Why can I always hear my neighbors arguing upstairs? Damn. Anyway, they going at it. I'm gonna spray this around my edges. Girl, what the fuck? I don't know what I'm doing. She sprayed it like that. She said it's gonna protect her edges, but is it really? is this gonna protect my edges? Or is it gonna make them come out? Okay. Is that enough of that? Is that enough? I don't know. Oh my God. Okay, honey, I need my scissors. My hair shears. She cut a tiny hole in the ear. Oh, shit. Girl, I forgot I needed a blow dryer. Now I gotta blow dry the damn shit. I put enough of this spray. I think I'm gonna put some more. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my God. Okay, so now I've blow dried that. I don't know why I dried it. Aren't you supposed to put the wig down on it first? I don't know. You spray the glue so you can cut this off. Okay. Okay, so now I have to cut this. Oh, I'm scared of this part. I'm scared of this part. Okay. I'm nervous. And I didn't try it on. Like, what if this wig doesn't even look good on me? I'm afraid. Don't let this be cute. Do not let this be cute, because if it's cute, hold up. Y'all shouldn't have let me do this. Oh my God. Okay, what do I do now? I don't think I got glue, you guys. I'm gonna use this. Boo boo, I didn't get no glue. I thought this was the glue, boo. I thought this was the glue. What do you guys think? I feel like you can see the lace and it doesn't look flawless, you know what I mean? Oh, I think I just cut myself. This is my first wig, and I will say that, like, honestly, I'm doing okay, but there's some things that I probably have to improve on the next time that I do this. Cause I'm not really mastering where's the lace part, okay? Maybe it's cause this is not really glued down. This freeze spray might not be glue. Like, maybe I need real glue. I don't think I can do this, y'all. Like, I've tried and I've tried, but I don't think I can really do this. Like, it's really pretty hair, you guys, and it's really soft. But, is that cute? Okay, round two, because So I think this is finally the official look right here. I played with it, I did it twice. This was literally my second attempt. And I'm just done trying now. This is the final look. Hopefully that's good. So this is it, guys.